Hello guys, thank you for tuning in into this video. So like I promised in my last video, I said I was going to share with you guys how to minimize breakage, especially after wearing a protective style for a long time. Before we jump right into today's video, if you're new to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload a video, you'll be notified. And also don't forget guys, before you continue watching this video, please kindly give this video a like and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, thank you for doing that. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So let's move over to today's video. Hair breakage is a major issue, like it's a problem for a lot of people growing their natural hair. So in today's video, I just want to share 4 tips for you to be able to minimize breakage. My number 1 tip is going to be moisturizing and sealing the ends of your hair. So they are very weak and fragile, so you want to make sure that whatever you're doing, whatever leave-in conditioner you're using, whatever conditioner you're using, whatever mask you're using, whatever it is that you're using to moisturize your hair, you want to make sure that you're putting a little extra on the ends of your hair. You want to pay more attention to the ends of your hair so that they are strong and able to withstand any form of breakage. No matter how fast your hair grows and your hair keeps breaking, you're not going to retain length. You're just going to continue to experience breakage. My number 2 tip is going to be keeping your hair stretched at all times. So kinky, coily, textured hair, any opportunity given, they are going to just coil up and tangle together with each other and form knots and tangles. So you want to make sure that at every point in time you're keeping your hair stretched. Keeping your hair stretched, I'm not saying that you have to use flat irons, blow dryers to always keep your hair stretched. No, you can keep your hair in twists, loose twists, chunky braids to make sure that your hair is stretched. Another way to stretch out your hair is bantu knots. So I realized that bantu knots are great, is a great method to stretch your hair. So if probably you just washed your hair and you're not ready to style, you can just section into some chunky sections and then roll it up and put it in a bantu knot, so that by the time you're ready to do your hair or style your hair, then you just roll it down. That is what I did to my hair. This one, you can see this, I did a bantu knot, and that is why my hair is not all that shrunken. So you see, they are smooth and stretched. So just for the meantime until I'm ready to style my hair, so it's fine, it's okay. Number 3 tip is going to be trimming off split end single strand knots. You can always feel the ends of your hair if you have single strand knots. So you can either you do a search and destroy, single out that one strand of hair that has the knot and clip off that section so that it doesn't tangle up again with other strands of hair and form a larger knot. And that large knot, you might not be able to successfully unravel it and you might end up losing a big chunk of your hair. The next tip is going to be using a satin bonnet at night. If you're not using a satin bonnet to sleep, guys, like why are you doing that? If you really want to grow your hair, if you really want to have a well moisturized hair that will help you to retain length, then you have to sleep with a satin bonnet. Whether you're resting for 5 minutes, put on that satin bonnet, or if you're the type that don't like satin bonnet, then get a silk or satin pillowcase so that you can just relax. My next tip, which is the bonus tip, is going to be using the appropriate tool for your hair. Like guys, if you use the wrong tool for your hair, you're going to break it. When I started on my natural hair journey, I started using a white tooth comb. Then this year I decided to stop using a comb. The past 6 months now, I've only used the comb once, and that was when I was doing my African threading blowouts. Apart from that video I did for that African threading. I have not used any form of comb on my hair or brush, and funny enough, I got a tangle teaser, but I've not been able to use it. Like, I've not even opened it. I'm just loving my finger detangling, but it's very important to use the appropriate tool for your hair. So if you're the type that loves tangle teasers, go for it. If you're the type that you can't stand tangle teasers, maybe your hair is too dense, it's too thick for tangle teasers, then don't use it, because you only break your hair. Don't say because everybody is raving about tangle teasers, then you want to use tangle teasers. What's maybe good for a type 3 hair will not be good for a 4C hair. So make your research, try and see which one is suitable for you, and when you want to brush your hair, do it in smaller sections, because that way you are sure of what you're doing and you're being careful, you're being gentle, one at a time, you know, brushing or combing your hair. So I'll still choose a white tooth comb over any kind of brush. Yeah, I'll still choose the white tooth comb. But for now, for the rest of the year, I'm doing a finger detangling, except I decide to test the brush. Then I'll make a video to show you guys what I think about it. Otherwise, I'm okay with finger detangling my hair. So that is all for this video. If you know you've learned one or two things on how to minimize breakage in this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend to other people. And also, if you're new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. Thank you for sticking with me up to this time. I appreciate you guys a lot. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.